Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video, our goal for this video was, or I want to understand how the NVIDIA changes over region of interest for a given time. We have all the pieces together now. We know how to compute NDVI for each image. We now given polygon or region of interest, we current a reducer to find the average value of NDVI for a single image. Now let's see how we combine all of this to create time series chart. So far what we have done is we have taken the collection Sentinel-2 I have of region of firm of or region of interest or interest boundary here, and over this region of interest we have found all images, and we have a collection of NDVI images, and we mapped this function. So we now have each NDVI image, and we want to display a time series chart. Earth Engine has how range of sharing functions that are available under UI. So there is UI dot chart. This has got many functions that will allow you to create plots in Earth Engine. We have images. Shows so we look under here this to create so sorry create variable name chart past UI dot chart dot image series. This is used to create a time series chart. This takes an image collection and gives you a time series plot, and region, say region of interest. So what reducer? So in a plot you can only display one value. You have an X and Y For each timestamp you want to display only one NDVI value. So within my geometry, what value should I display? We can say give me an average value on the Y in the scale 10 method in X property on X property or on X axis. What do you want? By default is the timestamp, so we'll just say use that. Let's print this variable to see the result. You can use this button to pop it out, and you can see this in how many lines changed over this region over time. And we don't want many line in this chart, our chart. So we just select, we just select NDVI with function select. See, so you can see this in how NDVI changed over this region events. Thank you for